Welcome to Module 5.3, Developing Mixed Methods Research Questions. One of the defining features of mixed methods research is how it frames questions that require the strengths of both quantitative and qualitative approaches. In this module, we'll examine what makes a research question suitable for mixed methods, the different types of questions you might pose, and the process for developing them strategically. Mixed methods research questions have distinct characteristics. First, they typically call for the integration of quantitative and qualitative approaches to fully address a complex issue. These questions often address both outcomes and processes, what happened, and how or why it occurred. They require multiple perspectives, including numeric patterns and lived experiences. Good mixed methods questions tend to focus on both what and how or why, using one method to inform or explain the other. And importantly, these questions are sometimes iterative, evolving as new insights emerge from data collection and analysis. Mixed method studies may include different types of research questions. An overarching mixed methods question ties the whole study together by explicitly requiring integration of both data types. You may also pose separate quantitative and qualitative questions, each addressing a different part of the problem. Procedural or mixing questions focus on how the methods will be integrated, whether sequentially or concurrently. In more complex designs, you might ask stage-specific questions tailored to individual phases of the study. Finally, integration-focused questions highlight how findings will be merged or connected to produce new insights that neither method alone could generate. Developing effective mixed methods. Questions begins with a clear problem statement and purpose. From there, identify which aspects of the problem are best addressed quantitatively, qualitatively, or through integration. Consider the timing of each method. Will they be conducted concurrently or sequentially? Determine the priority. Will one method be dominant or will both be equally emphasized? Ensure that your questions are consistent with your overall methodological framework, and make sure they align with your chosen mixed methods design, such as explanatory sequential, convergent, or embedded. This ensures that your study flows logically from its research questions to its design and data strategies.